Information about Aralia elata. Aralia elata, commonly known as Japanese angelica tree, is a deciduous shrub or small tree native to China, Korea, and Japan. It can grow up to 20 meters tall and has a broad, umbrella-shaped crown. The leaves are large, up to 60 centimeters long, and are composed of 7 to 13 leaflets. The flowers are small, white, and borne in large, upright clusters in mid to late summer, followed by dark purple to black berries in the fall. Aralia elata is commonly grown as an ornamental plant in gardens and parks. It is valued for its attractive foliage, showy flowers, and interesting texture. It can also be used as a specimen tree or planted in groups to form a screen or hedge. In traditional Chinese medicine, the root bark of Aralia elata has been used as a remedy for fever, headache, and arthritis. It is also used to relieve coughs, promote digestion, and stimulate blood circulation. Modern research has shown that the root bark contains compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may support its traditional use. Aralia elata is also used in Korean cuisine, where the young shoots, called duryup, are harvested and used as a vegetable in soups, stews, and salads. The shoots are said to have a crisp texture and a mild, slightly bitter flavor. However, it is worth noting that Aralia elata is considered an invasive species in some areas, particularly in North America and Europe, where it can outcompete native plants and disrupt local ecosystems. It is important to check with local authorities before planting Aralia elata in these regions.